In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple events at once on Google Calendar. If you need to clear out a large number of events quickly, the fastest way to do it is from Google Calendar on a computer. This method is especially useful if your calendar is full of outdated meetings, test entries, or repeated events that you no longer need. Instead of deleting events one by one, you can remove them all at once by deleting the calendar itself. To begin, open Google Calendar in your web browser on a computer. This is important because the full calendar management options are easiest to access from the desktop version. Once Google Calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open Settings. After you're in the Settings area, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section called Settings for My Calendars. In that section, find the name of the calendar you want to clear. Make sure you choose the correct calendar before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple calendars for different purposes like work, personal tasks, or projects. Click on the calendar name to open its settings. Then scroll until you find the option to delete the calendar. In some cases, you may first see an option labeled Remove Calendar, and inside that section you'll find Delete. Selecting this option will wipe all events from that calendar at once, which is what makes this method so much faster than manually removing each event. Before you confirm the deletion, take a moment to double check that you no longer need anything stored on that calendar. This action is intended to clear everything, so it's best used when you're sure you want a completely clean start. Once you confirm, all of the events in that calendar will be removed. If this is your primary calendar and you want to keep using Google Calendar as normal, you can create a fresh primary calendar right away afterward and start organizing it again from scratch. A helpful tip here is to consider whether the calendar contains anything worth reviewing before deletion, such as important reminders or recurring event patterns you may want to recreate later. That quick check can save time in the long run. And that's it. That's how to delete multiple events at once on Google Calendar using the calendar deletion option on desktop.